Mission.
Increasing in large cities, traffic problems and the lack of parking concerns. The price of fuel can become a real problem.
Scientists are working
And to reduce environmental
pollution.
It is possible to find another way.
The eBRIDGE project, co-founded by the Intelligent Energy Programme of the European Union, promotes new mobility concepts encouraging the use of electric cars among policymakers, fleet managers and car users. Business mobility in Berlin can be more sustainable now thanks to eFlinkster car sharing. The EUREF campus, a research and innovation cluster, is the testing ground to explore the potentials of electric car sharing for urban business travel. The Galician automotive cluster in Vigo is bringing electric mobility closer to their employees with its initiative CEAGA Business Car Sharing. Companies with different profiles and mobility requirements are testing electric vehicles for their business trips. Caruso peer-to-peer car sharing in Austria is helping people living in sparsely populated areas to shift from individual mobility to car sharing. It will address the current lack of concepts for sustainable shared mobility and raise awareness on electric vehicles. E-sharing, the electric car sharing of Valencia, provides citizens and professionals with an environmentally friendly transport option. The Electric Car Sharing Committee of the Balearic Islands will promote the development of policies favouring electric car sharing. The commuters and citizens of Milan can enjoy now an emission-free transport solution with unlimited access throughout the city. The 100% electric cars of Guidami car sharing, facing daily traffic congestion and air pollution, was never so easy. The City of Lisbon is determined to face the challenge of greening its fleet successfully. The municipality is evaluating the potential of electric vehicles in public fleets and expects this to be an encouraging example that boosts the market uptake of electric vehicles. Carmarthenshire County Council is the first local authority in Wales to introduce electric vehicles into its fleet. The County Council is promoting the new technology among its employees and assisting them to become more confident with it. The European Commission is working towards a sustainable, energy-efficient and environmental-friendly transport. The eBRIDGE project has an holistic approach with a clear vision, moving towards a zero-carbon transport system. Its 7 pilots are driving the change towards a green mobility revolution.